I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop to look around once in a while. You could miss it.
Okay, so EP3 in for a map. We are providing and fitting a K100 ECU. So that's where we're starting with, fitting that this morning. Going to do a standard power run, see how she's running, and then get cracking. It's got some nice mods, as you can see. And we provide any performance parts that we need for EP3s. So it's got a nice exhaust system on it as well. So we'll see how she gets on. Nice car though, the EP3. This one's pretty clean. So there we go, some gains had across the rev range on this EP3. Lots of power to be had. And we started on 206 and we ended on 237 on the K100. Yeah, it's done really well. Got some wheel horsepower, ain't it?
Life moves pretty fast.